Yo, what's up, Molly Boy? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I told you guys I'm coming back with another Malawian hit. It's Toast, featuring Kim Diamonds. What's the name of the song? How do you do that? How do you do that? How do you do that? I think that's, you know, it's English, man. It's what do you call it? You can cut it. How you do that? That's the name of the song. Anyway. How you do that? How you do that? Like how you Hey, let's hear what the song is all about. Yeah, Toast is one of my favorite artists out there in Malawi, and I think I have reacted to his songs before. What I like about, I think if artists reach out and say, yo, good job on that, I feel like, we are buddies. I feel like me and Toast are friends. But anyway, yeah, he reacted to one of my the videos that I reacted to his song. So I was like, okay, wow, cool. I better be on my best behavior. Anyway, I thought I should mention that. So did I already say if you're here for the first time? I don't think so. If you're here for the first time, please smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Also, please go check out Toast's YouTube page because, he's been doing this for a very long time. And he's doing a really good job. I'm not saying this because I know he watches these reactions and stuff, but I know he's been in this industry for a very long time in Malawi, and he's doing amazing. One of the artists that you can see that they are going up in the career, in their music career. Like the experience is there, and I'm sure young people are learning from guys like this. And I wish that for somehow Southern African music or African music were really integrated, where artists like Toast will be appreciated by everyone in Africa, or by majority of Africans. Like you should be going to every other African country and they'll be like, yeah, Toast from Malawi, yeah, what about him? Anyway. How you do that? Keep it rolling. How you do that? How you do that? Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. How you do that? How you do that? Keep it rolling. How you do that? Yeah. How you do that? Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. They're like, how you do that? Never drop, but somebody saying you a cool cat. Tell a lie, but the people saying, yeah, true that. How you do that? Man, it's a mystery. 9 years popping on and making history. This ain't no one-time thing. It's a lifetime thing. I'm married. You see that? This is not a one-time thing. To the game, dog, get in a one-night fling. I'm seeing too many misses and less hits. Too many vegetarians and less beef. Too many pop artists, less MCs. Whoa, he's saying a lot of stuff there. What did he say? Too many vegetarians and less beef. Too many vegetarians. Too many pop artists, less MCs. Some careers jumpstart with a screw key. Too many vegetarians, less beef. Too many. Wait. Wow, that's. Okay. I'm seeing too many misses and less hits. Too many. Too many misses, less hits, and like the vegetarians and less beef. Too many vegetarians. Too many pop artists, less MCs. Some careers jumpstart with a screw key. More industry. Yeah, man. Like whatever happened to the MCs in Africa? Now they're like turned into pop stars. Less MCs. Plans than we have ever seen. It's like the whole field died. We sow the same seed. How you do that? Hey. Keep it rolling. How you do that? How you do that? Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. How you do that? Hey. How you do that? Keep it rolling. How you do that? How you do that? Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. How you do that? Walk around like you know it all. Probably
they took my raps as a seminar. Let me know, I can guard the door while you snoop around the town hall, shopping for ideas, libraries, a shopping store. How you do that? I just read a lot, not to have the writer's block. They thinking that I'm dumb just because I talk a lot. It's a distraction, I'm aiming for the top. Before you realize, oops, I had the ball drop.
How you do that?
Keep it rolling.
How you do that? How you do that?
Keep it rolling, keep it rolling.
How you do that? How you do that?
Keep it rolling.
How you do that? How you do that?
Keep it rolling, keep it rolling.
How you do that? How you do that?
Keep it rolling.
How you do that? How you do that?
Keep it rolling, keep it rolling.
How you do that? How you do that?
Keep it rolling.
How you do that? How you do that?
Keep it rolling, keep it rolling.
Yo, it's a beautiful song, man. I love that. Big up toast.
It's hard to be woke. It's hard to be woke.
Yo, the beautiful vocals of Kim Diamond's there as well. I feel like I should check out her music. I love her vocals on this one. She did a really good job supporting Toast. And he came swinging. You see that?
MC, I'm this, yeah.
I like this part.
Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. They're like, how you do that? Never drop, but somebody saying you a cool cat. Tell a lie, but the people saying, yeah, true that. How you do that? Man, it's a mystery. 9 years popping on the making history. This ain't no one-time thing, it's a lifetime thing. I'm married to the game, dog. It ain't no one-night fling. I'm
Hey, married.
seeing too many misses and
This married is not a one-time fling, one-night
less
fling.
hits. Too many vegetarians and less
Less
beef.
beef.
Too many pop artists, less MCs.
MCs.
Some careers jumpstart with a screw key. More industry plans than we have ever seen. It's
Ooh, do you also have industry plants in Malawi? What is going on?
like the whole field died, we sow the same seed.
How you do that? How you do that?
Yo, that's a beautiful one. Big up to Toast. Please go check out that video on his YouTube page, because then you'll be seeing a bigger quality and many more other of his music. They are like, you know, the best. And I think he was in a group before. Was it a trio? Back then, or am I mixing him up with somebody else? But I think he was part of a group when he started. Let me know if I'm wrong, or am I right, or am I right? Let me know in the comment section. I think he started as a group. I should know this, you know what I mean? Like, I should, by the end of whatever the end of this thing is, I should be able to be like a what do you call it, a griot of the African music industry. I should know who started, when started, who started what, and when did they start, and all the things. Yeah, it's very late now. I think I should wrap this up and go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching this, man. Zikomo Kwambiri for your support. Zikomo, please go check out Toast's YouTube page. I cannot recommend him enough for you guys, especially you guys in Malawi. Those of you who love hip hop. I know you guys love hip hop. You love all the Jay-Z's and the Kendrick Lamars, but you do have people that are talking about what is happening in your country. So before you enjoy the other entertaining outside of your country, just appreciate what you have in your country. But I do know that you guys from Malawi are so supportive of your artists, and with that I am appreciative. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys all.